Here's how to change your T-Mobile phone number. Phone numbers assist you in connecting to the entire world and easily be associated with security features and linked with your Gmail, social media, banking, and more. But if you're a T-Mobile user and want to change your phone number for any reason, then there are multiple ways to do it without any SIM card and even changing your mobile. Follow this step-by-step guide to easily change your T-Mobile phone number. First, open Manage Accounts. Now, select the line that you're required to change, your recent phone number. Describe the reason for changing the number under Reason for Change. Click on Agree to the Terms and Conditions by checking the associated box. Select Submit Charge, and don't forget to note the transaction number for your records. Users also have another option to easily change their phone number over the phone. All you have to do is just call 611 from your registered T-Mobile device. If, in case you're calling from a different service provider, then dial 1-800-937-8997 to connect to T-Mobile customer service, or visit the T-Mobile store to complete the process. Here's some things to remember. T-Mobile takes customer charges of $15 to change your phone number, but it will be only a one-time charge for MSICHE. Additionally, it's quite a time-consuming process which takes approximately 4 hours to 3 days to get your new number. Users won't be able to access the call logs connected to the previous number, as all the old voicemail messages get deleted.